Welcome. So let's go to our next section, which is sustaining versus disruptive innovation. See, sustaining versus disruptive means that what is sustaining innovation? We'll understand what is disruptive innovation, and different. There are four models of innovation. So there's a distinction. Sustaining innovation is like it it is the improvements of the product or a service based on how based on known needs of current customers. Like it is like how we can improve in the current product which is like already there. So how you can improve that product and make it as sustainable, and this is sustaining innovation, like the definition. And disruptive innovation is coming up with a new product, like Geo in India. Mukesh Ambani came up with a Geo with a different technology, and that was a disruptive innovation. The other telecom providers, they shut their business. You can see Idea, Vodafone, they merged in the business. Airtel had a lot of problems. Reliance, Arcom was completely vanished. Other lot of companies got vanished because of disruptive innovation. Sustaining is the existing technology, you improve that, and disruptive is coming up with new technology and new product. So uh, there are observations like uh, according to the Christian, disruptive innovation is critical to long-term success in business. It is like for long term, like you think for a long-term perspective. Mukesh Ambani thought that way, and he came up with new products. Steve Jobs also came up with disruptive innovation. He made products which are like non-conventional. So those are disruptive innovation examples. So there are models. We'll go to the models. There are four kind of models. One is radical innovation, which is establishing a new dominant design, hence a new set of core design concepts embodied in components that are linked together in a new architect. Radical, that is radical innovation. Then there's incremental innovation, like which is like you improve. There's an incremental changes, step to step, version one, version two, Windows, like they come every year new kind of. So it is same like Apple phone. They started with Apple, then now they are increasing every year. They come up with different improvement in the phone, and that is actually incremental innovation. That is, the Apple phone is a best example. They develop one product and they are improving it every year. So they come up with, so that is incremental innovation. Architectural innovation is when changes are only relationship between them core, like when you make changes in the design of the product. So that is architectural innovation. That is also in phones. You can see Apple also brings new designs in the phone, new architect. So it can happen simultaneously, incremental innovation and architectural innovation. Then there's a modular innovation, which is which is the changes only in the core, like you change the microprocessor core technology. So that is a modular innovation. So these are four models of innovation. And then there is a non-economical innovation, which is social innovation, sustainable or green innovation, responsible innovation. These are non-economical innovations. And then sustaining versus disruptive innovation, like there are different models. It is like we have understood that the four models. The disruptive innovation means to reinvent a technology, and sustaining is always improvements in the technology. So this is simply distinction. Let's make it simple. So sustaining is improvements in the technology, always in the products, services, and Disruptive is coming up with a new innovative product which changes the entire industry. So you don't need to be a visionary for like innovation, disruptive or sustaining. You just need to observe, be creative, be critical, apply first principles, so you will be able to achieve the objective. You don't also need a lot of money. You can do frugal innovation, like you can minimum investment, you can start it. And also you just need to be observer, think ahead, be proactive. So if you learn freedom skills transformation model properly, you will become person like that nothing is impossible for you. So you don't need a lot of money. You can start an incremental way, start small and then become eventually improve and become big. So you need metrics, like you need like there are metrics for the innovation. It increases your productivity, like how you can measure your innovation, improves your process, organizational efficiency, great top line growth, fast speed to the market, and strong customer loyalty, enhance employee engagement, reduces risk of disruption. There are a lot of benefits of disruptive and sustaining innovations, but they both are different. Okay, you need an ecosystem, innovative champions. You need you need to have champions, innovative champions, customers who see you the values, startups who challenge the status quo, universities to expand like your thinking and all. So you need big ecosystems for the innovation. Like these are the ecosystems of innovation: startups, big companies who challenge the status quo, universities, academic, all these. These are the ecosystems. So disruptive innovation benefits. There are a lot of benefits. Key features of the disruptive technology are like when this type of technology enters the market, it changes the entire industry. That is the first benefit. And then, like internet disrupted the entire social, like such social life and all, and such libraries, newspapers, social interaction, doing business globally. All it was like everything was disrupted when internet came. Research also got disrupted, and embraces disruptive technologies, supports startup opportunities are there. It supports new opportunities will be there. Room for business growth will be there when these are disruptive innovation benefits. Example of disruptive technologies are e-commerce, radical sharing apps, GPS systems, social networking, streaming entertainment, and it has completely, like it changes the entire industry. Like AI is the fourth industrial revolution. It is $16 trillion industry. Till 2030 it will be $16 trillion industry. So we have lot of programs level in diamond level, gold level. We also have in quantum level. So you can learn that also and apply that in your projects. So this AI is going to be completely disruptive in it is already happening, and it is going to be completely disruptive technology and innovation. So it is fourth industrial revolution. So in next video we'll we'll go through the benefits of innovation, like what are the benefits of the innovation. So benefits of innovations are improves productivity, reduce cost, increase competitiveness, improved brand recognition and value, new partnerships and relationships, increased turnover, improved profitability. Innovation enables problem solving, provides creative insights, different perspectives. So there are like endless benefits. There are enormous benefits, And there are, like, if you are not innovating, you will not be there. Kodak company, like, it got completely vanished because it did not innovate. Nokia and other, there are a lot of examples, like companies who don't innovate or not creative, they will not sustain in the market. So uh, there are different approaches to business innovation: continuous product, process improvement, and like all these things which we have already mentioned, sustaining and disruptive. So if it is sustaining, it is always improvement. If it is disruptive, it is coming up with new product and all. These are very like industry 4.0. This is like, you will have developments in automation, robotics, IoT, cloud, data analysis, AI. All these things are there, and the big data is there. Internet of Things, cloud computing, auto autonomous robots, simulation, horizontal or vertical integration, cybersecurity, virtual and augmented reality, additive manufacturing, artificial intelligence. So these are disruptive technologies in this industry 4.0, like industrial revolution. So you need to be updated, skilled, and so that you will always sustain. This is very important. This is the best course I have ever learned. I love innovation, creativity, critical thinking, all these skills. If we develop even 1%, will be different in every field of our life. Will be different human being. So these were the benefits of innovation. So we'll go to the next video. We'll learn about collaboration skills. Thank you so much.